Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this Ring 2nd generation solar panel. Reason number 1, it is super easy to install. You're going to install this bracket with 2 screws. It's got 2 screws. It's very adjustable. You can tilt it up or down and you can rotate it. It also has my second reason is it has an 80-inch long cord. Now I've got the excess cord wrapped around the cord holder. It's got a USB-C cable that can plug right into these Ring cameras. If your camera takes the barrel type plug, you just plug the USB-C into this, and now you have a barrel plug that you can plug into different types of Ring cameras. It comes with this adapter. Now the third reason is it's a plug and play. You simply plug it in. You don't have to go into the Ring app. You don't have to change any power settings. You're going to keep it on the battery setting. You still have to keep the battery installed. Now this one can take 2 batteries, but you have to have at least 1 battery in here. The solar panel is going to help charge that battery. It cannot power this without a battery. It's just going to help charge it. Keep it up, so during the day, it's going to charge the battery. Maybe at night, you're getting some notifications and different things it's picking up. It's using quite a bit of battery. Then during the day, it's going to charge the battery. Now, on the back side of the solar panel, it is capable of 4 watts, 5 volts, 0.8 milliamps, or 0.8 amps, 800 milliamps. It doesn't take up a lot of space, about 8 inches, sticks out from the wall about 5 or 6 inches. But again, very adjustable, 80-inch long cord, so I don't have to put it right next to the camera. I can put it in a place on my house that's going to get direct sunlight. I really do love this Ring 2nd generation solar panel. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.